Hey guys, so wanna win sugar products worth rupees 2000? Well, then you have to watch this video till the end to know about it.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you multiple ways of using a single product and their hacks. If you haven't subscribed to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel yet, then please take a moment to do so. So here I'm using my setting spray as a primer before I apply my foundation. This will hold your makeup in place and make it extra more long lasting. Then I'm using this red lipstick to color correct my hyperpigmented areas on my face underneath my foundation, and it works so good underneath your makeup as an orange color corrector. You can also use an orange one, and here you will see how flawless my base makeup looks on the top. Then I'm taking my eyeshadow palette, mixing a brown and black matte eyeshadows and using an angle brush to fill in my eyebrows, and that is so easy and quick to fill in your eyebrows. Then I'm gonna use my contour palette as an eyeshadow on my eyelid. So I'm applying my contouring powder on the crease, the blusher on the eyelids, as well as the highlighter to add a pop of shimmer. You can also use a liquid lipstick to add that intense effect on your eyelids. Make sure that the liquid lipstick is a matte one to make it set in place and doesn't budge throughout the day. I'm using this matte black eyeshadow and spraying that with some setting spray and using that as an eyeliner, and it looks absolutely pretty on the eyes. Once again, I'm using my lipstick as a blusher on the cheeks, which looks so pretty. It just melts into the skin, meshes with the skin and looks beautiful. To contour your face, you can also use a matte brown eyeshadow. So I'm just using that to sculpt out my features here. This works so well to contour your cheeks. To mattify your creamy or glossy lips, just take a tissue paper and apply it on top of your lips and use some translucent powder to dab off any shine on the lips, and voila! Instantly your lipstick becomes matte and more long lasting.
Well, that's it for today. So guys, here's the time for the surprise. All you have to do is keep showering us with all your love by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on our channel, and we will pick a lucky winner every single week as a fan, and you will be getting some exciting sugar products. So keep the comments and likes coming. Good luck!